Hey guys, I'm Charlie, and I am creating a new Facebook page for makeup, hair, and everything else beauty. And I would really appreciate it if you give my page a like so that you will be notified when I post a new video. I just recently joined the Unique Makeup family, and I haven't received my box yet because I just literally did it the other day. But if you're interested, give me a like so you can see the makeup looks that I'm going to create with their products. This look that I'm wearing today was not created using anything from the Unique brand, but I will be incorporating their products in my videos.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, stop.
you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. And if you just leave a comment down below and tell me how you liked the video, and maybe if you have any suggestions, just type away. I really would love to make a community of girls that love to do hair and makeup, and I would love to share all the tips and tricks that I can give you that I have learned along my journey.